Welcome inside our facility. Today, I'll walk you through how we manufacture solar panels layer by layer using today's advanced
Each solar cell is prepared to maximize sunlight capture.
Resistance levels are optimal, but the efficiency trend is slightly low.
Agreed. Let's review the furnace parameters before the next batch.
The synchronized robotic arms precisely place and solder the metallic ribbons, ensuring flawless conductivity across the solar grid.
Probe secure. Initiating scan sequence.
Data stream stable. We have 98% efficiency at peak lux.
And that's how we produce solar panels layer by layer with precision and care. See you in the next tour.